Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 5 minus 5 times 9 by 5. So let's start with today's video solution. It looks simple but still many people fail to solve this. Why? Because they do 5 minus 5 as 0 times 9 by 5. 0 times 9 is 0 and 0 by 5 is 0, which is the wrong answer because they did not follow the right approach. When you have given multiple operation in an expression, that is here subtraction, then multiplication, then there is a division also, then you have to follow a right approach by applying order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. So what it said, if an expression is parenthesis given, the P stands for parenthesis, then you have to first solve the parenthesis. E here exponent, M and D is multiplication division, both have same priority, just solve it from left to right, then addition and subtraction. So here we can write this expression like this as well, 5 minus 5 times 9 and then divided by 5. So now this part is in bracket, that is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this, but in bracket there are two symbols, that is subtraction and multiplication. So as per this rule, we have to give priority to multiplication. So multiplication sign is between 5 and 9. So 5 times 9 is 45. Now what is left? The bracket and division. So again we have to first give priority to the bracket. So in bracket is 5 minus 45, which is equals to 40, but with negative sign, divided by 5. So minus 40 divided by 5 is minus 8. So what is the correct answer? Minus 8, not 0. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.